Today, T takes on SmartWings Blackout Shades. Using a combination square, I measure and mark 4 inches on the inside of each window. Next, I use a hole punch for my drill locations. Then, I drill my first set of holes for each bracket. I drive my first set of screws, drill my second set of pilot holes, and drive in my last set of screws. From here, I simply push in and snap in the shades. The installation process is complete, however I did decide to go with the optional light blockers. I measure and mark each light blocker and cut them to length off camera at the miter saw. Using the included sticky back magnetic tape, I adhere one strip to the light blocker. Then I place the second strip on the first strip, peel the back, and press the assembly against the window frame. And then repeat the process 3 more times. From here, I just program the bottom and top limits. Finally, I select all shades on the remote and test if they are grouped together. These shades have the Matter motor and connect to my Google Home Assistant. These shades are mounted on the inside of the window frame. If you want to see the outside mounted ones, check the video here. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll catch you in the next T Takes On. Okay, Google, close Office Shades.